Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making a St. Patty's Day centerpiece. This is probably one of the easiest centerpieces I've ever made. There's no glue involved, so we can take it apart and reuse it again next year for something totally different. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, I'm using a bucket. I got this on clearance a couple years ago, and I think it was pink, and I painted it white. Some roses, some floral foam, and these are all leftovers from last year's centerpiece. They're basically carnations. I have them separated by the different colors and the different glitters, and there's some shamrocks and some coins. And the first thing I'm going to do is fill the bucket with the foam. Okay, I've got it filled up, and I don't like gluing this because I take my arrangements apart. So I just use toothpicks, and they'll hold them all together. Oops, that one's coming up a little too high. And a trick for cutting foam, I keep a bread knife in my craft room, and the serrated edge slices right through this with no problem. So anyway, that's filled, and now I'm going to start with the roses in the center. And I'm going to try and find a really nice shaped rose bud to go right in the center. And I'll be back when I find that. Okay, I found one that I like, and I'm just going to put roses all the way around. And I think I'm going to have to cut some of these because I want them to come down below that rose bud. I thought I had them all cut from last year, but I guess I didn't. But I'm just going to put roses all the way around the rosebud. Okay, I put the roses all the way around, totally surrounding that rosebud. And I still have some left over. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. So now I'm going to put some of these carnations around. And basically it's just to cover the bottom. And I'm trying to get the same thing, like these are the white with the green glitter. So I'm going to start in with those first. And I'm just going to end up going all the way around, just to hide the works. And to give it color. And do one more. Okay, now I'm going to just keep filling in to hide all of this. Okay, these are all the green glitters. This is the gold glitter that I had. I'm still in a no-buy. This is all from last year. And I'm going to take some of these shamrocks and just put them in and about. And the stem is way too short, but they'll be able to rest in between. And this is by far one of the easiest centerpieces you are ever going to make. There's no gluing. You're just going to tuck here and there. And I'm going to throw some of the coins in. Try every other one. And I think I need a little more green up here. And I have just used up all of the stuff that I had from last year. It's super easy to make. Let's see if I can back you up so you can see it a little better. And I think I want to add some color to this. So I'm not going to go with gemstones because there's enough glitter in here. Let me check out my ribbons. Okay, I got my ribbons out and I found this. It's wired, but it really doesn't matter for what I'm going to do. But I like the gold lettering, so that's the one I'm going to use. And all I'm going to do is glue it to itself. And I want to cover this rim because, like I said, I'm going to be able to take this apart and use it for something later. I mean, this little bucket definitely says springtime to me. Oops. Guess I'm going to have to spot glue it. Really didn't want to do that, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I love St. Patty's Day, and I'm sure it's because I'm nearly 100% Irish. That it's the one holiday where everybody gets to be Irish. Oh, baby, that's hot. Thank God for this plaid hot hand helpers. And I think that's all it needs. Although I'm really tempted to put some green glitter baby breath in there. Let me think about it. I had some of these holiday branches that I'd gotten on clearance probably 6 years ago. And I cut a small piece and tucked it in, and I really don't like it. I like it better plain. So, that's my St. Patty's Day centerpiece. And I think this is going to look just perfect with the tablescape. Definitely enough gold, lots of glitter green, and enough white to tone it down. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.